All right, today's project. I want to grow some of these flame willows, and they're actually really easy to grow, I should say. And they just pop, and it just snowed out, and there's such beauties in the landscape, especially after a snow. Such a wonderful winter plant for your landscaping, and they're easy to root in. And we're just going to show you how to do that. But I'm just admiring these right now. The base is real orange. And as it goes up to the stems, the tips of the stems are just this brilliant red. It literally looks like these bushes are on fire. And just wonderful here to look out the window and see these in the landscape, especially after the snow. If you're in a cold climate, they can take a lot of cold and be just fine. So this is the flame willow. So go ahead and come with me on the journey. I'll show you how we root these in, and we've got to make our way back to the middle part of the property, back where there's a row of these back here by the greenhouse. So make sure you follow along with me and just enjoy the winter landscape. Look at this beauty. All right, let's head on back to the middle part of the property here where our flame willows are lined up next to the greenhouse. And over to the right here, you'll see we've got all kinds of, I don't know if you can make this out in the video or not, but just over here, we've got some scarlet curl willows, about 10 foot tall. We've got some other willows inside that landscaping there. We'll have to maybe do a video on that at some point coming up down the road here. But as you can see, that's just appeared into your view now, is over to the left next to this greenhouse here, we've got the flame willows. And you can see actually at the base, these actually need to be trimmed. You take them down to the base, and all the new growth gets your oranges and your reds going. So after a couple years, you want to just take these down. They grow super fast, just like any other willow, and they are beauties, aren't they? All right, I've got the camera set up now so I can kind of be hands-free here. All you're doing is you're taking off the tips of these branches, and you're going to do about 8 inches or so on each cut. And we're just making sure that we've got enough nodes on here that they're going to be able to root in real nice. And they're just so brilliantly red right now. And that's what happens over the season. As it gets colder out, these things start to get more deeper in color. All right, let me finish this last couple of cuts here. Again, 7-8 inches long, and just make sure you got some nodes in there so they're going to be able to root real nice. We get this camera to focus in here. There you are. That's all. The bigger you need them. I did want to make mention that these willow cuttings can go right into the ground. You don't need to pot them up. This just happens to be a farm and a business. This is what we do. If you're potting them, you want to make sure that the potting soil is packed in there really good, and you want to wet it. But also, one thing to note is that each node, we like to plant those into at least a couple nodes into the soil, because that's where they're going to root the easiest. And the nodes, or the buds, they're going to be pointy at the top. So make sure you got your cuttings going the right direction. You wouldn't want to plant those upside down the wrong way. And this is how easy it is, guys. You're simply just going to make your row outside, or you're going to pot as many pots of willows that you want. And if you guys don't mind, down in the comment area, let me know if you guys have ever done this with the willows and your experiences in working with the willow. I just really love it. There's all kinds of different willows and different colors. They're really nice in the winter time, and maybe in a couple months or so, we'll go ahead and get into the Mount Aso, which is the pink, the Japanese pink pussy willows. They are very beautiful. There's also a black variety as well. So maybe down the road we'll do a video on that. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.